Hi, everybody. Ready to hear what we've been up to lately? We are making major investments to strengthen and modernize America's power grid, and we're asking for the public's input on how to structure what is an approximately $2.3 billion program, and that is going to help shore up the grid against wildfires and extreme weather and other natural disasters that are exacerbated by the climate crisis. And then, the Bipartisan Infrastructure Law invests more than $3 billion to make batteries and components for electric vehicles right here in America, and to find new ways to recycle them and bolster our domestic supply chain, and of course, create more good-paying jobs. I went to Detroit to announce that historic funding opportunity, and then followed up with the launch of our $45 million EVs for All, Electric Vehicles for All program, which is going to support domestic development of affordable and efficient and resilient batteries. And speaking of batteries, the guts of these batteries are going to come from critical minerals and raw materials like lithium. So I traveled to California to visit geothermal and lithium sites at the Salton Sea in Southern California. And I met with local community members and leaders, and I heard firsthand the needs and concerns of frontline communities who want to be our partners in this transition to clean energy. And on the topic of geothermal, we put out a call for insight from stakeholders and industry about how we can make the most of $84 million in funding from that bipartisan infrastructure law for advanced geothermal systems. And that is going to help us harness the clean and renewable power beneath our feet. And it's going to move us closer to our goal to deploying more than 60 gigawatts of geothermal electricity generating capacity by 2050. And that's enough reliable power for 129 million American homes and businesses. And then we're working to maintain America's existing clean energy infrastructure. We recently released guidance for states on how to apply for the bipartisan infrastructure law's $6 billion in civil nuclear credits. And that is going to help keep the nation's nuclear reactors, which is right now our largest source of clean energy. It's going to help keep them powered up and running strong. And I'm not done yet. DOE has also started the process to successfully implement the infrastructure law's rebate program. So we opened public comments to help draft the plan to release $20 million of rebates for electric system upgrades for utilities and reduce energy costs for commercial building operators. So visit us at energy.gov/BIL to keep tabs on how we're powering up America.